Considering that more than 80% of consumers begin their search for a service or product online, it is prudent to investigate digital advertising and marketing techniques. Today, we'd like to talk about 6 of the methods you can use online to promote the sales of your HVAC systems and services. The first of these methods is utilizing pay-per-click ads or PPC. PPC, pay-per-click. Advertising refers to paid internet advertisements that generate website clicks. The advertiser pays the publisher, the platform hosting the ad, a sum decided by auction for each ad click. You pay for each click on your ad, so be careful. The creation of ambiguous advertising might result in clicks from visitors with a low likelihood of converting. You should thus design targeted advertisements for your business and create advertisements that provide people with context for what you're offering, such as an emergency service or quick installation.
One way to make PPC advertising even more effective for your HVAC business is by employing programmatic advertising as your strategy. Ultimately, programmatic advertising is a method for automating how organizations acquire and sell online and mobile ad space. It enables a more focused approach to advertising, ensuring that the consumers contacted are the most likely to purchase a company's products or services. Instead of requiring days to negotiate the usage of ad space, transactions may now be completed in milliseconds, with step-by-step breakdowns allowing corporations to determine the success of their ads. With programmatic advertising, your return on investment will be greater and your clicks will be more focused. Programmatic advertising also has the benefit of being able to better target your audience to reach your desired customer base.
It is important to build a social media presence, especially on Facebook. Facebook is one of the most effective social media platforms, with over 221.6 million users in the United States alone, and it offers both organic and paid promotion opportunities for your brand. Advertisers may use Facebook advertising to achieve a variety of marketing objectives, such as boosting brand recognition and improving website conversions. There are both free and paid options for advertising. Once you have made a page, include links to your blog posts, videos, and images of previous projects in which you participated. Then, use built-in analytics data to determine how customers interact with you and pay special attention to their social media input. Starting at just $995 per month, our staff at 7 Social can assist with the development, configuration, and administration of your Facebook page. If you already have a Facebook page, we will assess it and make any required adjustments to improve its performance. Our team will also publish on your behalf to expand your audience.
One of the most important things an HVAC company can do to market their product and services is to make sure they have a strong web presence. There has never been a better or more crucial time to invest in a website for your business. 84% of today's consumers believe a company with a website is more reputable than those with only social media pages. Additionally, your website is the ideal location to display any professional certificates or accolades your firm has received. To ensure continuing success, you must attract new clients, and one of the most effective methods to do so is to increase your visibility on Google. SEO is the key to getting your business on Google's first page. The term search engine optimization may sound scary, but the method is rather straightforward. You add business-related terms and phrases into a keyword research tool, determine which ones receive the most traffic on Google, and then create content around those phrases. As a general guideline, each piece of content should target a distinct keyword so that as your site's content list increases, it may rank for more keywords. Pictures are worth more than 1,000 words. By showing high-quality pictures on your website, you can illustrate to potential clients what they can expect from working with you. Display examples of your work and the air conditioning systems that you sell.
A website also gives you the option to participate in ad retargeting. People typically provide their contact information or call you after 2 to 7 visits to your website. It is crucial to create ways to reach out to clients who have previously expressed interest in your organization as they navigate their own customer journey. Thus, site retargeting comes into play. Companies employ site retargeting, a form of display advertising, to display advertisements to those who have previously visited their website. The company embeds a pixel into their website, which generates a cookie in the user's browser. Using retargeting, a company may target website visitors with adverts on other websites. Basically, it ensures your HVAC company is placed in front of the customer multiple times so that they come back to you when they need services, rather than going to a competitor.
With their effects on the general health and comfort of those within the building, heating and cooling systems are especially important, so customers want to know they are hiring HVAC experts they can trust. That's where content marketing comes in. Content marketing encompasses anything your company publishes that might be considered to be online content. This consists of movies, ebooks, blog entries, podcasts, and so on. Should your HVAC marketing efforts involve publishing all of this content? No, but you must publish some in order to establish brand credibility and reputation. Providing HVAC marketing how-to videos for consumers and releasing them on YouTube as content for your social media marketing is a fantastic starting point. Your material may address the most frequently asked questions that your technicians hear on the job and provide blog pieces regarding the maintenance of HVAC equipment that homeowners have. The purpose is to give instructive content that encourages clients to trust you and contact you when a need arises.